And me, Rinza, on PopsGlam, and today we're making a slime for the first time. And for you guys, like, maybe for you it might be like a disappointment because you made slime a billion times. Well, this is our first time.
And I'm very excited.
With actually glue. Okay, so
because when we bought the other slime kit, we were just putting stuff inside the slime. We weren't making it. So today we're gonna make it with actual glue and activator.
So this is gonna be so much fun. Okay.
Now, first we need. Okay, I'm choosing this, a blue glue,
and I'm gonna.
And it's clear.
Should I add first?
Blue clear glue. I'm very excited.
This pink one first. Okay.
I'm scared.
You are not supposed to. You're supposed to open it.
Oh, whoopsie.
That's how the school people do it. This is how the pros do it.
Okay, I'm very scared.
My God, this is liquidy slime.
Okay, I'm gonna get my spoon out of it just in case. Okay.
Look at that noise.
Oh, I love this.
Oh my God, there's so many bubbles.
2 hours later.
I love this. Okay, now I'm just gonna since it's runny slime, that's a good thing, right?
It's sticking everywhere.
It's such a nice consistency. Now we're gonna
put the activator in.
But it's not usual activator.
It's magical liquid.
It says add to Elmer's glue to make slime. Stir it with your spoon, Elsa.
Okay.
There's so many bubbles.
Oh, I see so many bubbles.
And by the way, guys, our dad just helped us get some activator in, and I need to.
You mean magical liquid?
Magical liquid. And he said, like, a tip is that you should never dump the whole entire activator in your slime. Instead, just pour a little bit and then mix.
2 hours later.
And then when that's all mixed, you add another little bit until.
Okay, I'm gonna pour this in.
I see it's coming in. It's getting together.
I poured a little in.
Look at my slime. It's like, oh my gosh, look at mine.
It's a vlog right now. Now I'm gonna add a little
really
more
nice
activator.
consistency. Okay, now I think that part is done. Now I'm gonna add a little more. And it's more for now. Oh, look at my slime. Look, it's like a ball. It's like getting together. Look. This is so cool. I love the consistency. Oh my God.
Oh, I touched it.
It's so stretchy. I love it.
I feel my slime.
Oh, look at all those bubbles. Okay, now time to add a little bit more. Okay, that's who actually did that. I think it's a ghost who just gave me a napkin. I think there's a ghost haunted my house. There. Put it there. Put it in my hand. So cool. today. That's it for today because
we are done making slime, and the other 2 bottles we are gonna make slime with them another day.
Yeah, another day.
And we'll try and make them
So
like
thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you like
slime or not.
Like if you like clear slime or
School glue slime.
no, if you like clear slime or like whole slime, like
Whole?
whole. Yeah, like the.
Oh, okay, I get it. Okay.
Yeah, like
Well, anyway, guys,
Thanks for watching. Bye.